To update your YouTube TV app, start by ensuring your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Open the App Store on your device, such as the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. Next, search for the YouTube TV app in the search bar. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app icon. Click on the update button to begin the update process. If you do not see an update button, it is likely that your app is already up to date. However, you can also check for updates in the App Store settings. On Android, go to the menu and select My Apps and Games. Then click on the Update All button. On iOS, go to the Updates tab and click on the Update All button. Once the update is complete, open the YouTube TV app to ensure it is working properly. You may be prompted to agree to new terms of service or sign in again after the update. It is also a good idea to regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. You can also enable automatic updates in your App Store settings to ensure your YouTube TV app stays up to date. Additionally, if you are experiencing issues with the YouTube TV app, updating to the latest version may resolve the problem. If you continue to experience issues after updating, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app or contacting YouTube TV support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can easily update your YouTube TV app and ensure you have access to the latest features and content. Regularly updating your app can also help prevent issues and improve your overall viewing experience.